Alright you guys, let's jump straight into this tutorial. So I've already did my brows to save a little time. I'm going in with two palettes for this look. The first one is Jeffree Star and Morphe palette, and then the next will be the Matte Book by the Crayon Case. So we're going to start out first with the Jeffree Star palette. So the first color that we're going to pick up, I cannot pronounce these, so don't be judging me, okay? Calabasas, if I'm saying that right, which is this color right here. And we're just going to tap that product. Just like that. And we're going to carry it forward. Tap, 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 tap. All right, now we're going to go into the Matte Book. And I'm going to go into this orange. Okay. So I'm going to take that orange and use it as a transition shade. I'm going in with P. Louise Base. This is the base. My motions that I usually do is I'll swipe the product over like that, and then I will tap it when I'm doing my crease. Right, now I'm going to take that product up. Now I'm going to go into this Heyyyy brown right here. This is back in the Jeffree Star palette. I'm going to use the green Nates here, and then the Wake and Bake lighter green there. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with some glitter. For the glue, I'm using the adhesive Aloe Vera glue by Kiss. I'm going to thinly line my cut crease. I did put a little glue on my brush just to flatten it out. I'm going to dip into my CutiePopGlitzy glitter and tap that in. So it's kind of like a little small transition between the glitters. Okay. These lashes are from my lash line. As you can see, it's a 3-pack that comes with a tweezer, or a lash applicator, I'm sorry. But I've been using them, so these are actually a used pair. Yes, I really use my lashes, so don't judge me. We're gonna work with it. Yes, we are. So first I'm going to go in with the vitamin C serum. Why do I use this? Just in case I have any open areas. You know, vitamin C heals the skin, so I'm going to rub this into place at least a good 2 minutes. Next I'm going to go in with some Nivea cream. I just recently started using this cream and I really like how it feels. It does not take a lot. Let me say that. So like that, just kind of dab it around. It really doesn't take a lot. It's really, really good. It smells good. It has a refreshing smell to it. This is Matte Matte by Wet n Wild. Just gonna take a dab of that. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna go in with Photo Finishing Smooth and Blur Primer by Smashbox. This is one of my go-to primers that I can't go without, like, at all. I love this stuff. So I will list all products that I'm using below in the description box. Okay, I'm going to be using two foundations today. The first one is Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 420. This is the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. And then the next one will be Matte's 368. Okay, this is really cheap, over the counter. So this is a high-end foundation and a drugstore foundation. So I do mix them. Squirt the Fenty foundation on first. Not using much of the darker one, just a little dab. So I'm gonna kind of flatten this out around my face. I just want to make sure I go around my brows. I'm taking this primer water by Smashbox as well. I'm just gonna spray my face, press it in. Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12. Now I'm going to use this foundation stick by L'Oreal. This is in the shade 412. And I'm going to use this foundation stick to contour with. Tad bit of concealer. Going in with the Chalk Dust by the Crayon Case. This is in the shade R. Put a little bit more coverage up under this eye. And let that sit for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to come back and do the setting powder. I will go ahead and set here. Going back into the matte book, I'm going to dip into this warm color here, this warm brown. And I'm just going to go over my contoured areas with it. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? I think we good. I think we good. Let's go ahead and set. We're going to be using Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Yes, gotta drown in it. Gotta drown in it. So while I'm letting that set in place, I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my under eye. We're gonna use two colors under our under eye. Green for sure. I love green. Green for sure, and the other color, brown and orange. Okay, so I'm gonna be a little honest with y'all. I suck at doing my under eye, so bear with me, because we're gonna get this today. Okay, we're gonna focus on these two colors, and then we're gonna use that one as well. Sis, we doing something. We doing something, sis. Ooh, it's feeling really fallish. Let me stop for my eyes get the water and I can't get too excited. All right, so now I'm gonna go in my tear duct area with this color Welcome. Boom. I'm gonna use this, it says Dog Mom, which I am. I am a dog mom. So I'm gonna use this Dog Mom color. I don't know where, I guess Jeffree named these. I don't know where he got these names from, but Dog Mom? Cute. I was trying to be light because I didn't know what this was gonna look like. Excuse my son in his class if y'all hear these instruments, okay? I'm trying to go ahead and finish so y'all ain't gotta hear all that noise. It's like a little rosy color. Ooh. A little bit on the chin. We ain't even did the lips and I'm just excited. We're gonna go in with some nudish colors on the lips. I ain't trying to get that heavy, but it's okay. We're gonna go in my Lippie, of course. This is in the shade Nutty Butter. Ooh. Let me go get dressed. And, you know, I'm gonna come back and give y'all a little footage.